Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to update and install Instagram app on Android. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now first of all, you can see I'm here in my Android phone. Now I'll tap on this Google Play Store over here. I'll tap on this. And now over here on the search bar, search for Instagram. And now tap on this search. And on the top you'll find this Instagram. Just tap on this and now you can see here is update. That means update is available on our Instagram app. Now to update this, just tap on this and after that you can see it's pending. That means the download of our Instagram app will start shortly. And now you can see it's downloading. The speed of your download depends on your internet speed and your device performance. Now you can see it's downloaded 100%. As soon as it is downloaded, it will automatically be installed on our phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.